Hi, and welcome to another episode on KEYKEY'S Kitchen with Keisha Dreams. Today I'm going to show you how to make succulent pot roast with mushroom gravy and collard greens. Let's get started. You're going to marinate your pot roast overnight in a half a cup of warm water, 2 tablespoons of diced garlic cloves, seasoning of your choosing, and 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. First, you're going to start by filling a large pot with water and adding in a dash of each seasoning of your choosing. I add ham hocks to my greens. This is what it looks like at the store. And you're going to boil that for about 4 hours. Periodically, you're going to add more water as they continue to cook. Now I'm going to show you how to pick greens. So you remember when you were a kid and you used to pick leaves off of bushes? So yeah, it's the same exact thing. These are pretty pre-picked because I did them overnight. I prepped everything. But basically all you do is you get a separate bowl and you're picking out the thick roots. They look like that on the leaves. You're pulling the actual leaf off like that. And you're going to eat the leaf because we eat the leaves. You don't really want to eat that thick chunk there. And you drop it in there. And that's it. That's literally it. You're just, picking the stems off the leaves and putting it in a bowl. That's it, folks. Congratulations. You just picked greens. Make sure you wash your greens. That is very important. I'm going to add 3 teaspoons of vinegar. I'm going to go ahead and add your greens to your pot. Make sure the meat is completely fallen off of the bone on the ham hock and keep the bone in the water for extra flavor. Dice up and peel your starch potatoes and put them in cold water on medium and let those begin to boil. This should be what your greens look like towards the finished product. Notice how the leaves are a dark forest green color and all of the meat is completely fallen off the bones and thoroughly cooked. Dice up some of our ingredients for our pot roast. Now, I like a lot of mushrooms, so I diced up about 1.5 cups, 1 cup for the pot roast and 1/2 cup to the side for the sauce. When I'm dicing, I put my hand on the tip of the blade, being careful, and I actually use my other hand to chop in a downward forward motion. Now you're going to dice up about 1 cup of yellow onions, leaving about 1/2 cup for the sauce and the rest for the pot roast. Now I'm going to chop up about 1 cup of thyme and chives, again putting some to the side and some for the pot roast. Now you're going to add all of your fresh ingredients on top of your pot roast with a dash of salt and a dash of pepper, and go ahead and mix it into the meat very well. Now it's time to add your veggies, your carrots, your potatoes. Make sure that the potatoes aren't overcooked, but the fork should go through them. So this is what it should look like before it goes into the oven. You would normally just put the pot roast in the center and bake it, but oven bags, oh my God, they make your meat so tender. So you're going to go ahead and put the pot roast in the oven bag along with some of the ingredients, roll it up, put it in the center, and you're going to bake this meat for about 4 hours approximately, or until it's tender enough to not even need a butter knife. So in a large frying pan, you're going to add 1/2 cup of water and all of your diced up ingredients from previously. Slowly stir and add pinches of flour to your gravy until you reach your desired thickness. And here is our finished results on our collard greens with ham hocks. And for the finale, the gravy. Thank you guys for watching this incredible tutorial on how to make pot roast and how to make collard greens. Go ahead and like, comment, and share, and post pictures of how your dinner turned out, how your version turned out. Okay, thank you, and bye-bye.